Today's the day, guys. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. This is actually happening right now. We are in Sanford, Florida. Got Lucifer right over here, and we are about to take our last naturally aspirated drive in this car because we are heading to VMP Performance to get the Gen 3R installed, and I just can't believe this is actually happening today. Lucifer looking good for the most part. I am gonna go ahead and try to tidy it up. Look at those beads. Look at those water beads. So I have to be there at 10 a.m. It is currently 9. I'm already, Ben's inside, still getting ready. But I want to come out to the car a little earlier, make sure everything's good to go. And yeah, just make sure it's all cleaned up for them as best as possible. So let's actually take a look inside and see how we're looking. The interior is looking pretty good, and I just detailed the engine bay, so I'm not too worried about that. It just makes me feel better and not so much like a scumbag pulling up with a semi-clean car instead of a car that's completely dirtied inside and out. So, but man, last NA drive, guys. Wow. Before we actually go ahead and get the car started up and head to VMP, we do have a video sponsor today, guys. And today's video sponsor is going to be Ridge Wallets. Ridge Wallets provide wallets for minimalists such as myself. As you can see here, I'm rocking their forged carbon fiber Ridge wallet. And with this wallet, you can see I have the cash clip on the back. I'm more of a fan of the clip over the strap, so I switched back to the forged carbon. Before I actually switched to Ridge wallets, I used to carry around a big bulky leather wallet, and half the time I would just put stuff in my wallet for absolutely no reason. And needless to say, when I cleaned it out, there was a lot of things that just shouldn't have been in there. A bunch of trash. With the Ridge wallet, guys, you are going to eliminate that. I personally will never go back to a Velcro or leather wallet again, and I 100% stand behind this product. If you're looking to get a Ridge wallet, guys, head to the link in the description and make sure you use promo code DVP Squad for 10% off your order. And with as many orders as you make, you can keep on using that code. So go check them out, guys, and I promise you these things are life-changing. I just want to go ahead and thank you so much, Ridge, for sponsoring this video. Well, since Ben should be down any moment, I think it's a good idea to start this up. Waiting on Ben now. It's like a female, I swear. Hey, there he is. Look at Banana Boy.
One's for you, so.
Everything about this Florida trip has just been eye-opening because, one, I want to move here 100%. Just because I feel like this state truly fits me. And two, you know, we're doing some Mustang things while we're here for the full week. That's absolutely exciting. And I'm just so grateful this is my job. Like, that's crazy to even say. So I'm going to pull up VMP's address right now. This is the last naturally aspirated drive, so I gotta take this shit in, boys. So yeah, we are less than 10 miles out, which is very exciting. I'm ready to get this project underway, ready to get this thing boosted, and ready to whip some Camaro ass. Should I hit like one last little pull in A?
Give it a little bit. Get a little bit of beans.
Do I just go anything?
Yes, yeah. Okay. Yeah, a little bit.
How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
Doing well. Doing well. We made it. Good to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hi. God, it's beautiful out here.
Come looking for some horsepower?
I think so.
Where's the place?
I think we came to the right place. That's what I've been hearing. So.
This is the famous
Oh yeah.
Predator.
Yep.
Swapped manual transmission. 17 Mustang GT.
Well, looks like Lucifer's gonna be right here, guys. How's it going, man? How you doing, Derek? It's good to finally meet you, man. How's it going, bro? Derek, nice to meet you, Chuck. These are the two guys I've been in contact with the most here at VMP, and I'm glad we can make it, man. It's awesome out here. It's definitely my end goal to make it out here, you know, sometime in life.
Derek brought us this car. He said, you know, at VMP, it's time to get the special treatment, time to get the Gen 3R blower on this thing, and we couldn't be more excited to provide that. Remember to go check out Derek's channel. He's got a lot of great content surrounding this car and other projects he's working on.
Yep.
But let's see what we can get going, guys.
So we just got done filming the intro. He's shooting some B-roll of the car now, and it's about to happen, guys. They're about to bring this thing in. I think they're gonna knock out the oil pump gears and crank sprocket first. We got some work ahead of us, and we have some pretty long days, but it's gonna be well worth it. I'm excited, man. We're doing this.
I done flattened the curve.
So you guys are gonna tackle oil pump gears and crank sprocket right now, correct? Yep. Cool deal. We are gonna let them do their thing, crank this out. As he just said, he wants to get this done, make sure it's done right, and we're just gonna let them do their thing, you know? All right, guys, you have fun. We'll see you, Lucifer. This is a Gen 2R, correct?
No, this
or
is
Gen 2, or?
This is a 3D print.
Oh, whoa, what the hell? I was like, yeah, he's strong. Dude, that is so cool. I didn't even know they get that detailed with 3D prints. Like, oh, okay. So these are all the blowers right in here. Look at this thing, guys. This freaking Boss 302 and Grabber Blue. Jeez, man. I had the same wheel and tire setup on mine before that setup. Making some progress. All the parts. So here's the plan. I'm gonna give you guys the rundown just so you know exactly what's going on and why I'm not out there filming quite yet. Jeremy is gonna be knocking out the oil pump gears and crank sprocket. I might be able to grab some clips here and there of that process. I don't want to get in his way or anything because they still have other business they need to take care of while I'm still here. You know, it is a shop. It's not like they're shutting everything down just for me. He's so quick. You just saw that little clip of all the stuff it's already taken off. He'll probably have that done in no time. So just wanted to give you guys a little update, but as for right now, we're just gonna hang out for a bit. Just chill, relax, and just let them do their thing. All right, what do you got for us?
Got your spur gear and your oil pump gears.
Oh, wow.
So now you can go do your drop test.
Those things are hot still, jeez. Man, you're cranking that out, huh?
That's the way I roll.
Nice, hell yeah.
These are yours.
Sweet, man, thank you.
So you got it on the concrete, you drop it, and it'll shatter.
No kidding.
Yeah, just from a drop like this.
Really? And it'll shatter
ours
it?
Ours will bounce.
Wow. Oh my God. That's crazy. Hey, it's a must do though. You boost your car, oil pump, crank sprocket, definitely keep you in a safer area. How many cars, if you could estimate, have you done these on?
That's a stack of my oil pump gears over there.
That's pretty sick. So it has a little wear on the inside?
Very little.
So is that a
That's
bad
all
thing or a good
acceptable.
thing?
Oh, I've only changed one housing so far since I've been here. So you can see where this and this is almost the same.
Okay.
Because that's...
Yep. So what causes that exactly?
Just... It's spinning at a high rate of speed.
Okay.
Just metal on metal. That bad boy sits in here.
MMR, oil pump gears right here.
Just from spinning metal on the face.
Gotcha. That's our little crank sprocket. Cool deal. And these are going to be so much more sturdier than the stock ones. Little closer look, guys. Lucifer all taken apart. This is so wild to see considering this car legit is stock from the airbox. The only thing aftermarket is the Off-Road X and a tune. That's it. Well, good deal, man. Making progress. step, as I said, guys, especially with a supercharger on a Coyote. And with the oil pump gears come the crank sprocket. It's a must do. It'll definitely give you that ease of mind, you know, just so nothing crazy happens, which you don't want happening. Other than that, guys, as far as video 1 of this series, that's gonna be pretty much it, and it's good we got that done because starting bright and early tomorrow, Justin's gonna go ahead and dive right into the Gen 3R install, and then, you know, we have a good 2 to 3 days worth of work, worth of filming, a lot of content coming. So as far as day 1 though, guys, that is gonna be it. Yeah, I'm stoked.
Dude, this is awesome.
And also with the Gen 3R, it's not just a supercharger we're putting on, we're also doing some other little goodies. I'm not gonna give them away quite yet, so you have to stick around, and if that means you have to subscribe to the channel right now, do so. Drop a like on this video. So I know I did mention we're gonna be doing some other little goodies, and since we have the car on the lift, we are gonna be installing a clutch line. You know, the factory ones, notorious for all the movement and feeling like the clutch pedal sticks to the floor, so we're gonna address that as well. Check out VMP's channel, their Instagram, all that stuff, it's all linked in the description. And there he is, Lucifer. Couple days, they'll be living up to the name, and that's just like, that's my saying now because it's gonna be insane.
Oh my God.